Hey guys, for today I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Authenticator. So first, open your Authenticator app, or you can download this one to App Store. And then after that, go to Facebook. And then go to your settings and privacy. Under settings, look for security and login. And then use two-factor authentication. It is recommendable to use this authentication app and then use the authenticator. Create your account. And then after that, the key. And select time-based. And you have now the code. And then after that, you can just copy or paste the code and then click continue. Your two-factor authentication is now on. So you will be using that code every time you will log into another account. So that's it for today's video. Please click on the like button, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.